In this video, I will explaining you how to easily unlock protected worksheets without password. I know there are many tools out there that can remove the password, but I'd rather do it without any third-party tool. You can do it yourself. Just follow these simple steps. I have this Excel file with many different worksheets. This worksheet here, the AgeCal, has protection this sheet. So if I attempt to change something here, I can't. But unfortunately, I've forgotten my password. Now, I can copy and paste this information somewhere else, but then I have to revise my data. I have to make sure the table works correctly. It's going to be a headache to set this up from scratch. And you might have protection on sheets that are really complex and are connected to many other sheets. You probably don't want to set that up all from scratch. Here's what you can do. Let's close this. This is my workbooks file. Next thing I'm going to do is to create a copy of this. So I really recommend you do this because it's very easy to corrupt your file. Okay. So now I have a copy, then I'm going to go ahead and rename the extension. If you don't see file extension name here, then go to Folder Options and click on View tab and then uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types and hit Apply, then OK. Replace file extension name XLSX to zip. Now click away and it's going to tell me, are you sure that you want to do this? Because your file might become unusable? I'm going to go with yes. Next step is to open this in the program that you have installed. So in my case, I have WinRAR. You might have something else. Then just double-click on this to open this, and you should see the components of your spreadsheet. The folder you need to go to is the Excel folder. Next, go to the Worksheets folder. Here you should see a separate XML file for each worksheet. My sheet that was protected was the third worksheet. If I open this, how does it look? It looks kind of scary, but don't worry about this. What we need to search for is protect, just to make sure that I've spotted the right sheet. So if I look for protect, I see this code here. It says sheet protection, and then it has all of this part here. This means I found the right sheet. So if you open something that doesn't have protect in there, so sheet 1 doesn't have protection. If I look for the word protect, it tells me no match is found. It doesn't have protection in place. Double-click and open it with the editor or notepad. Now, it doesn't look as neat and organized as before, but it doesn't matter. All we need to do is find that protection part. So just search for protect. I can see it right here. So this here is the part that I need to remove. Now, here you have to be extra careful that you select the right part. I'm going to start from this angled bracket here and go all the way to where it closes. So just slowly go through this. And I can see the closing part right here. Okay, so select this and select the closing bracket and just remove this. Now, we're going to save this. So close and save. Okay, everything looks good. Let's close this and now, we're going to change this from zip. Back to XLSX, click away. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, so now let's test. I'm going to open the file. Let's see if I can add anything here. I can. I can change numbers. The sheet is now unprotected. Now, I can go ahead and protect this again with a password that I'm going to remember. Just go back to Protect Sheet, put in your password, confirm it, and now you have a password that you can hopefully remember. I hope you successfully managed to unprotect your sheet. Don't forget to make that backup though. So do take that copy before you do this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this.